Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I will present the results of my summary about screens, application and digital books for young children. The promise of multimedia. Okay. First we talk about background and the problem. 30 years into the digital era, it is currently quite clear that application digital books and video streaming service are game changers within the young child's learning surroundings. Historically, engineered games, books, and instructional TV programs are quickly giving manner to digital content on electronic device, usually handheld and mobile within the close to surroundings. We have a tendency to ourselves setting out to perceive what this digital shift would possibly mean for young children's language and early accomplishment development, and what potential these new technologies would possibly bring to the learning environments of youngsters. During these special topics, we have a tendency of survey the rising field of analysis and babyhood to determine what digital resource appear to afford youngsters in their environment and to what results. We have a tendency to invite authors to submit articles that explore to what extent digital resource will enrich young children's learning surroundings. Okay, with the next two objective of study. The objective is to find out whether in this digital era whether there are digital books, screen application for young children and appropriate for small children. Next, for significance of study. Why this is important? Because in this digital era, a lot of information is very widely circulating. So it is possible for young children to be affected, and that this time also digital era is very important for the learning process of children. So next, the analysis and design. In the field, mean a bigger attentiveness to play planning, quality of digital resource and their usage within the immediate learning surroundings to children's profit. One in theory of the additional hanging option within the article during this special topic is that the shift to digital book reading. Now, not solely back children's books are progressively on the market is an exceedingly digital format and thus embody new affordance that predictably have consequences for book reading routines. Not thanks to the medium, however, Rich et al. Findings make sure that it will not matter to youngsters whether or not a story is in a print or digital. Youngsters are equally showing emotion in it with the story whether or not it's browsed by associate adult or a voiceover and a comparable amount of the story. Outcomes to decent ones is these two books together with all style of application books affordance. There's growing proof that sharing this digital book with youngster differs from sharing print books. As an example, folks use additional quote, the book format and surroundings than they are want to neutralize that standard book condition, where each folks and kids are additional to get targeted on the story content. A replacement generation of digital resource shift the planning focus to digital addition with potential for supporting young children's understanding of stories and their early accomplishment, skill exploitation, the growing literature concerning transmission learning principles. Many students during this special topic contribute to the present rising body of analysts providing new data on the case style option and child screen interactions. Next, for conclusion and suggestion. Giving impetus for any investigation in very direction, indeed the amount of study targeting transmission resource, books, game, video streaming, double geared to youngster within the to 2 to 6 years age vary has increased considerably over the past 5 years. Still, the question asks, do the technology affordance grounded in transmission learning theory have the most promise for teaching children's language and accomplishment surrounding to smart resource has nonetheless to receive the intensive attention it deserves. We have a tendency to invite the spears to create daring. Now still the advance the what we are now considering the role of digital materials in early accomplishment development, not merely to come back or recycle. Acquainted brain-centric routines with digital materials that are capable of more additional. Okay, that's all my presentation of this topic. So thank you and goodbye.